Want to manage your stock accurately and avoid costly mistakes in QuickBooks Online? In this quick yet complete 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to add inventory step by step, whether you're new to QuickBooks or upgrading your workflow. By the end, you'll know how to set up inventory items like a pro and keep your product tracking smooth and accurate. Let's dive in. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure your plan supports inventory tracking, QuickBooks Online Plus, Advanced, or higher. If you're not sure, go to your settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right. From there, select Account and Settings, then go to the Sales tab. Under Products and Services, make sure Track Inventory Quantity on Hand is turned on. If it's off, enable it and click Save. This step is crucial because without it, you won't be able to manage inventory properly. Now, let's add your first inventory item. Go back to the gear icon and select Products and Services, then click New. A pop-up will appear. Choose Inventory. Here, fill out your item details. Name. Enter a clear product name your team will recognize. SKU. If you use SKUs, add them to make tracking easier. Category. This helps keep items organized. Next, enter your initial quantity on hand and the date you started tracking. For example, if you have 100 units as of today, set that here. Under Purchasing Information, add your supplier name if you have one, and enter the cost of the item. This helps QuickBooks calculate your inventory value. For sales information, add the selling price, income account, and tax settings if applicable. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your inventory item is now added, and QuickBooks will automatically track it whenever you buy, sell, or adjust it. Pro tip: keep your inventory list updated regularly to avoid discrepancies, especially if you sell across multiple platforms like Shopify or Amazon, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to add inventory in QuickBooks Online for 2025. This setup helps you save time, reduce errors, and stay tax-ready. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover advanced inventory management next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.